There is something about these blocks in Delhi, uh, places like the SDA market and all such. One of them is the M block in Greater Kailash. And today I have come here to try out one restaurant. Actually, I had been here earlier, and that time I had tried out at what is this place? Oh, I forget it again. Yeah, I'll remember it. Anyway, so this is how the road starts. Absolutely amazing. And there is this park over here, and the street which turns around the park, that is amazing. All these places are here. Beautiful shops. Parking problems, yes, definitely. This is the scene during the daytime, so now you can imagine what would happen in the evening. So there you go, all the big brands. You can have a look at the nameplates. It's quite obvious over there. And then you are going towards the left. So there you go. A beautiful design. Nice flush of blue. And then finally, okay, I was not aware of this. So there are quite a sizable of these spas over here, and quite high-end at that. So you'd be lucky to get a parking spot like this. Otherwise, I have parked my vehicle right behind over there, behind this park. So that is a little bit off-track area where there are no restaurants and no office buildings like these. Okay, so a new cafe coming up. So each of these residential areas have these market blocks where that is the place where the commercial activity is restricted. So this is also one of those blocks, and the only thing is that this residential area is quite high end, which is the reason why this one has come out like this. So there you go, one more lane here similar to that side. So in a place like this in Delhi, what happens? Everybody wants to have their presence over here. That's very important and paramount. There it is. This was the place where I visited earlier, and I had forgotten about that name. So that's Carnatic Cafe. I have seen a lot of the outlets of this bakers. I have not tried it any time. So which is the preferred place for me for parking is away from this marketplace. That is towards this side. Now, even though this is full, but you still would have some space available on this road. Maybe this would get also full in the evening, but this is definitely jam-packed.